Exercise is vital for health, so stay active. Consider your work relationships. They're essential, so collaborate effectively. Have you learned a new language? Multilingualism impresses. Practice those language skills. How about financial planning? It's crucial for securing your future. Hiking trails offer rejuvenation. Plan an adventure. DIY projects, they're special. Create more. Documentaries provide valuable knowledge. Watch and learn. Pets, their joy and companionship. Cherish your furry friends. New exercise regimen? Fitness is a lifelong journey. Stay motivated. Home improvements, they transform spaces. Make your home better. Tried new recipes? Cooking is an adventure. Experiment in the kitchen. Learning an instrument? Music is a beautiful skill. Play some melodies. Attended cultural events? They're enlightening. Appreciate diverse cultures. Online courses, lifelong learning is rewarding. Acquire new knowledge. Explored new art forms. Art is expressive. Create and appreciate. Co-workers, positive relationships are vital. Collaborate effectively. Watch thought-provoking films. Movies offer different perspectives. Discuss what you've seen.